In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put initials on every page Docusign tutorial. 5 minutes. We'll walk through getting a document set up in Docusign so your recipient places their initials on every page. This is perfect for contracts, disclosures, or any file where you need clear acknowledgement page by page. Start by signing into your Docusign account. On the home screen, choose Start to begin a new envelope, then upload the document from your computer or a connected drive. Give the file a moment to process so each page renders cleanly. Next, add your recipient details as needed. You can add one or multiple people and assign roles like needs to sign. Make sure the email addresses are correct, and if you have more than one signer, confirm you have the right recipient selected before you place any fields in the editor. DocuSign color codes each recipient, which helps you keep fields assigned to the proper person. Click Next to enter the editor. On the left-hand panel, you'll see Available Fields. Locate the Initials field. Drag and drop one Initials field onto the first page where you want it to appear. Many people choose the lower right corner, but pick a consistent location that doesn't cover page numbers or text. Use the alignment guides to line it up neatly, and resize the field if it feels too large. If you want that field to be mandatory, ensure the required setting is active in the field properties. With the first initials field placed, click it to select, then copy and paste. Keyboard shortcuts work here, so copying and then navigating to the next page and pasting can speed things up. Repeat this for each page, keeping the placement consistent. If your document has different margins, verify the field is still clear of content on every page. Zooming in a bit can help you drop the field precisely. Before finishing, scroll through the entire document to verify placement. Make sure no field overlaps headings, footers, tables, or signatures. For multi-signer documents, double-check the color and name above each field to confirm the initials are assigned to the intended recipient on every page. Adjust or nudge fields as needed until everything looks clean. That's it, you've added an initials field to every page. From here, you can proceed as usual with your sending process, confident that each page will require an initial.